Hi. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add user groups and grant permissions in Lexzur. Let's start by adding a new user group, so navigate to the System Settings and click User Groups under the Users and Permissions section. Adding a new user group is as simple as specifying its name and description, if needed. You will be able also to clone user groups if you want the same permissions. You can view the list of users under each group as well as the group's permissions directly from this page. To set permissions, go back to Users and Permissions and choose User Groups Permissions. This allows for the fine-tuning of access and control based on user roles and designated modules. Select the user group for which you wish to grant specific permissions, such as user, administrators, or accountant, and then choose the relevant module, such as core, contract, or billing. This step enables the customization of access and capabilities based on user roles within the specified modules in the system. Administrators will automatically have all permissions granted by default. Additionally, within the module list, there are permissions for DocuCompare and Adobe bundles. Users with these permissions can acquire these features from the Lexzur marketplace. The controls represent the functionalities associated with each module. For instance, selecting Lexzur Core will display all the pertinent core features, allowing you to configure permissions for the chosen user group in each core setting. The permissions within this specific module become visible, allowing you to search for and enable the required permissions. They are categorized alphabetically, with subpermissions accessible by clicking on each module to reveal the related permissions. Once adjustments are complete, press Save to apply the configured permissions. Likewise, if you choose Billing, you can define permissions associated with accounting functionalities. This includes permissions for reports, accounts, invoices, discounts, taxes, and other relevant features within the billing module. Within the Contra permissions, you gain control over all aspects related to contracts. This encompasses the ability to add, edit, delete, or amend a contract, and oversee the Signature Center, Approval Center, applicable law, clauses, and various other contract-related functionalities. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.